Tired of feeling like your money is slipping through your fingers? Do you find yourself constantly wondering where all your hard-earned cash goes? You're not alone. Many of us struggle to track our spending, identify areas where we can cut back, and ultimately, take control of our finances. That's where personal finance apps like Rocket Money and Mint come in. These powerful tools can help you gain a clearer picture of your spending habits, automate your finances, and even negotiate better deals on your bills. But with so many options available, choosing the right app can be overwhelming. So, the burning question is, should you use Rocket Money or Mint? Let's start with Rocket Money. This app is known for its aggressive approach to saving you money. Key features: automatic bill negotiation. Rocket Money automatically negotiates lower prices on your internet, phone, and other recurring bills. Subscription tracking. It helps you identify and cancel unused subscriptions, saving you money on services you're not even using. Easy-to-use interface. Rocket Money boasts a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to track your spending, identify recurring expenses, and find ways to save. Introduce Mint. Now, let's talk about Mint. This app is a veteran in the personal finance space, offering a more comprehensive suite of features. Key features: budgeting tools. Mint provides robust budgeting tools that allow you to create budgets, track spending across various categories, and set financial goals. Credit monitoring. It offers free credit monitoring, alerting you to any changes in your credit score and potential identity theft. Financial planning tools. Mint provides tools to help you plan for major financial milestones, such as buying a home or saving for retirement. Deep dive: Rocket Money versus Mint. Now, let's break down the key differences and help you decide which app is the better fit for you. Focus. Rocket Money primarily focuses on saving money through bill negotiation and subscription tracking. Mint offers a broader range of features, including budgeting, credit monitoring, and financial planning. Ease of use. Rocket Money, generally considered easier to use, with a more streamlined interface and fewer features to navigate. Mint can have a slightly steeper learning curve due to its more extensive feature set. Cost. Rocket Money offers a free trial period, followed by a paid subscription. Mint, completely free to use. Data privacy. Rocket Money emphasizes data security and privacy. Mint, owned by Intuit, a well-established financial software company with a strong track record in data security. Pros and cons of Rocket Money. Pros of Rocket Money. Aggressive bill negotiation can save you significant money on recurring bills. Easy to cancel subscriptions, helps you identify and cut back on unnecessary expenses. User-friendly interface, simple and intuitive to navigate. Cons of Rocket Money. Paid subscription, requires a subscription after the free trial. Limited budgeting features, not as robust as Mint's budgeting tools. Success of bill negotiation varies. The amount of savings from bill negotiation can vary depending on your individual circumstances. Pros and cons of Mint. Pros of Mint. Comprehensive features, offers a wide range of features, including budgeting, credit monitoring, and financial planning. Free to use, no subscription fees required. Robust budgeting tools, helps you create and track budgets effectively. Cons of Mint. Steeper learning curve, can be more complex to navigate than Rocket Money. Data privacy concerns. While Mint has a strong track record, some users may have concerns about sharing financial data with a third-party company. Can feel overwhelming. The abundance of features can be overwhelming for some users. Who should use Rocket Money? Rocket Money is a great choice for you if you're primarily focused on saving money on your bills. You want a simple and easy-to-use app. You're willing to pay for a subscription. Who should use Mint? Mint is a better fit if you need a comprehensive suite of personal finance tools. You're looking for a free budgeting and financial planning solution. You're comfortable navigating a more complex interface. Beyond Rocket Money and Mint. Of course, Rocket Money and Mint are just two of many personal finance apps available. Other popular options include Personal Capital offers advanced investment tracking and financial planning tools. NAB, you need a budget, focuses on a zero-based budgeting method. Fidelity Go provides automated investing and financial advice. Ultimately, the best app for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Consider your financial goals. What are you hoping to achieve with a personal finance app? Are you primarily focused on saving money, creating a budget, or tracking your investments? Assess your tech skills. Do you prefer a simple and intuitive interface, or are you comfortable navigating a more complex app with a wider range of features? Read reviews and compare features. Research different apps, read user reviews, and compare features to find the best fit for your needs. Try before you commit. Most apps offer free trials, allowing you to test them out before committing to a paid subscription. By carefully considering your needs and comparing different options, you can find the perfect personal finance app to help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.